Okay guys, so we are at the auction over here in Burns. This is the one that I walked a few weeks ago. And we all had the big piles of stuff and all that. Make sure the mic's working here. Yes, it's working. So there's some very nice tractor tires. Just rows and rows and rows and rows and rows and rows of goodies. Tons of equipment out there, or a few pieces of equipment, several pieces of equipment out there. So this is going to be an interesting day. Wonder how that seat would look on the back of an Anyways, this is going to be a really long day. I know, say, okay, there's a tractor in the building there. There's an M in the shed over here. Oh, I wonder what the story is here. Bunch of belts on the ground and stuff. So I wonder what the story with that tractor is. And then that, wonder why they didn't pull that one out of the shed. Because if we go out here, they've pulled a bunch of tractors out of the shed. Wagons. I really need to think about those. Tires. And that radiator. I don't need any more cylinders. I bought enough. I moved the Alice out here, but they brought this one out here, and this wasn't here when we originally walked it.
Help her with you? Hey, how you doing? What's your name? Lucy. Well, nice to meet you, Lucy.
Oh, Richard got a number. You got a number? Yeah, you do.
Anyways, it's kind of, it gives you a little bit of an refreshment. There's some cars, trucks on the other side and stuff, but I think I'm going to figure out what's going on and where we're going to start and kind of go from there. Alright guys, let's see how this auction's going to go. I wonder if these tires are any good. Oh, they're 36s. They're not 38s. They won't work for what I need. I'll be... That's strange. Usually those are... I thought they have 38s on there. I'm pretty sure these will go for scrap, but they're pretty decent looking. They are really decent looking. Well, I guess until you get on this side, and they got a rotten wheel. Oh, electric start. I made an electric start for it. Said a long time. Okay, well, I think that pretty much covers it. We'll, yeah, let's see how today goes. Sell the Nash.
Now money. Now for it. 100 1 down 2 2 2 50 down 300 down 400 4 now half 400 what here now 5 50 down 6 half do you want it 6 here now half 600 here now half sold out 600 23 thank you.
Does anyone want to buy this baler separate? Let me find you a place, Joe. Go to the fence and to you.
Joe, why'd you buy my car?
Is that for you, bid?
You bought my car, Joe. I thought we were friends. I was not bidding against you.
From the barn south now. From the barn south, guys, kind of in this alleyway. Any questions? Whoop here then. $100 go.
Ha! Ha!
450 sold out 400 15 to buyer 400 15 to buyer. I'll sell the Super M over there for Joe now. Get here. Go. How many dollars, Joe?
100.
$100 and 2.
Super M.
$100 2. Now 3. 250. Help you. Get here. Down 200 and 300 350. Down 300 and a half. I'm with you, Rick. 350. 3's here now. Half now. Quarter now. Half. 350. On the go now. 350. Sold out 325. Put it on 15.
Everything inside this building sells now.
Inside the barn there,
We're not picking anything out. It all
I'm in,
goes.
sell it all now, $100 and go. Whoop here, down 50,
20.
20, 30, 40, 50, now 60, anywhere. Get 70, anywhere, 90 now, 100 and 100 hip here, 100, sold it to you $90, $13.
Rick, we'll go around this building and come back to that over there.
Okay, we got a bunch of stuff taped off right through, well,
right
stop
here.
there, Joe. Stop there.
Barrett, you stop here. Barrett? go all the way around the caution tape there. But we've got items in here you might want to buy sell separate.
Where's Barrett?
He's over there.
Barrett? You coming?
Sell that GMC when he gets here. Sell that GMC.
Sell the GMC.
I'm better than the GMC, jumping on, better than the look here now. I'm better than the $100, go.
Yep.
I'm there too. I'm better than the 222, better than the 200, better than the 3 ding 4 ding, better than the 400, and better than the 1, better than the 3 4, 3.5. You now have better than the 350, ding 50, ding, better than the 350, now 4, and now 4, now your leg, now 4, now better than the 4 4 ding, better than the yeah, sir, better than the 4 down 75 4. I'm better than the 4 ding 4 ding 4 ding 4 ding 4 ding. How about you? I'm better than the 400. I sold out 375, 15, 375 on 15.
Okay,
Thank you.
Here, this is part of it now.
I'm down.
Let's sell this.
Now. Yeah, sell that.
Sell it.
I'm better than here now. I'm better than 10, 20. Get here, down better than here now. I'm 10 now, 20. Get 30, better than 40 bed, better than 40 chair, down better than 40 bed, I'm better than 50, 60, I'm better than 60, down 70 down to get down better than 60. Get 60, I'm better than all in done through, better than here done sold out. Now $50 on 15. $50 on 15. Thank you.
Sell that truck next.
I'm down, on next truck now. Chevy, you say? I'm better here now. Down how many dollars, boys? $100. Sell the truck and then we'll sell the rest of the pile. I got 100 bid, 100 and a half too. Get 500, you're a gentleman. 600, sir. It's 700, 800, 9, 800, here we go. I'm 800 and 900 and 89. Sold out 800. Put it on buyer 6. Put it on buyer 6. Thank you.
Mini Mo.
The mini mo. Yeah. Here now. Sell the mini mo on the other side there. I'm here now. On how many dollars? $100. 150. I'm wood here. Then money's on, guys. 100 bid. 100 half. Here here now. 100 and 200 and 250. Good here down. 3 down. Half. 300 and a half. 350. You say it over there. Get 4. Now half. Half in. I'm 4. Now half. I'm coming your way, and you're out in the back now. Get 450. I'm 450 and 500 in. Good back, guys. I'm 4 and a half, 5. Sold out 452. 114 the buyer.
Okay. So this is number 7.
Scrap pile 7 here, guys. Get here. Any questions? I'm here now.
How much, Joe?
150.
Oh!
That's right. It's on the other side of caution tape. So this pile here.
You got 150.
150. Now 2. In 2. Now half. In 3. 3. Joe down 300 and 350. I'm 4 then. I'm 4. 4. I'm 4. You done? 4. Sold out 350 and put it on 15. Put it on 15 if you would please. I'm here now. What file we got now, Joe?
You better sell that drill back there in the shed on the east side. What are you thinking here? 50?
Yeah.
That's 75.
Yeah.
Now 100 half. I'm going to get 2, 115, 2, 75, 175, 150, 75. But you get now 2, and 2 quarter, 2 and a quarter. I'm going to get high. I'm going to get 75. I'm going to get 2, 50, 75. I'm going to get 75. Sold 250. Number
16.
1 6. Here's the buyer. Sell the old
16.
16. 1 6.
I get everything else is left in those mine.
Yep.
I'll go spray it.
Don't you go be spray painting that drill. Well,
Did you? On the 700. Take a half. 6 and a half. How did we get them on 600 here? You said half. Now 7. 700 half. Use out, Joe. The 754. 750. How did we get hay? Get them $800. 8 now half. 8 and a half. I believe we would. 850. Here now 9. 9. I'm going to get 9 and a half. I'm going to get $950. $1,000. Even money. Can't go wrong. 1,000. Now 50, 10, 50, 11. $1,100. I'm going to get 10, 50, 1,100 here. So 1050 number 24, sell this drill right here. John Deere. How many dollars on them? Get 300, 200, 100's on. 50. 100 a half. 100 a half. That's 2. We get 152. 150 here could be $200, but we get 2, 150, 15. Sell a little Kawasaki 3-wheeler.
Oh, yeah.
That looks like a fun little toy. All right, here we go. Who give $100? $100. 50. Let's go. 25. 35, 50 here. $50. 40, 50. It does turn over. We said it turns over. $50. Yeah. That's 60. I'm going to go 50. Right here, 50. 60. 80. Out again. 80. $80 for them. I guess $80. Code 70, number 2020. What do you think here on these toppers? Sell your choice one time. Sell your choice one time. Here we go. How much on it? You tell me. $50. 25. 10. Worth that for a doghouse. $10. $10. Sell them all. $10 for all. All of them. $10. 5.
Hey, all of those
$5.
toppers. All those toppers for $5.
$5.
I don't
on
know.
down the line then.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
Who said $1 for all of them? Not 2, but get 2. Sold $1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Little car hauler right there.
People today.
Right there, 300.
This one's nice because it turns, you know.
$100.
50.
100. 100. 150. You can take a quarter, Joe. 1 1/4, 100's of money. A quarter, half. 1 1/2, half. 175, and a 2, and a 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half here. It rents for that. 250, 2 and a quarter, half, 75, and 3. That'll give me a 275, and get 3, sold 275. Number 5, Jeremy, 5. Any toolbox down here, me to Joe. Well, tell me, let me get one, 5, 10. $5.10 for choice. I get 10, 7 and a half. Get 75, 7 and a half, sold 5. How many you want? One time the number. 20. Number 20. You took 1. I got a pass amount of $5. You're almost all.
Number
114 takes 1. You got to keep track of your merchandise right here. Anybody else at 5? Sell the rest of them for 1 money. Get 5 for all 3. 2 and a half for all 3. Now 5. Now 5. Now 5. Mark them 2 and a half for all. Number 114.
This is what I've been waiting for right here.
$75. 75. And now 1. And now 1. Now quarter. 1 1/4 for it. My man. 100 1/4. How did we get a $100 quarter here? But we get 1 1/4. You get 1 1/4. I'm with you. 100 1/4. Unless you want to get more. 100 1/4. 100 1/4 where? 100 1/4. 100 you in quarter. You say it. 1 1/4. Yeah. Now half. Now 75. Now 2. We got that straightened out. 175 to continue here. So 175 to 5. Like I said, this thing is freed up.
Whoa! Found a hole. I can get up. Yeah, film when I get up.
Yeah, that hole was covered up.
That's a deep hole too. What happened to my knee?
$100 two. You didn't hear $200. $100 two. I'm gonna go.
Okay, you all right, Biggie?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good.
There's a way down there.
Yeah.
4, now 5. 5, 600.
Yeah.
550. 600. 600 on my hand. 600 here, but you get 650. 150. Good. 150. You get that guy pulling the line. We'll go clear green, Joe. Let's stay in order.
Dave, you all right?
Oh, I'm fine.
I seen you go and I go, heart attack?
No,
Big Dave's gonna have a heart attack?
no, deep ass hole. All the way up to my fucking knee.
Shit, I think you went to China.
I think I did. It's just an old post hole.
I thought you was gonna say an old fart fell in a boat.
Just an old.
50. Now 1. choice. 50, 100, $100 bill, 75. Now one, now quarter, one and a quarter, now half. 75. Two. Penny Joe, two and a quarter, quarter. 200's the money, 2 and a quarter. I'm back here at 200. You boys are both out. 2 and a quarter, half. 250. That's 75. 75. 75. Sold 250, number 86. Takes the one up by you, Joe. I got this one left. I'm up 50. 75.
Ho!
Now one.
Ho!
Now half. 150.
Quarter!
Half. 1 and a quarter, half. 75. Back again. 175. 175. Sold 150. Number 15.
What up, Frank, dude?
All right, so the spring
I just want 2 sprockets off of it. That's all I want.
Here right there, on the down. Let's go. How much? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. $100 bill. 90's here, gotta be 1, but it's gonna be 1 here.
Yeah.
Now 10, 110, 120. 110, 20, get 20, so 110, 225, 22, 1,300, y'all here, right there.
There's another one in the tree.
Don't be I'm off
having
now.
a market collusion there. Just participate in the
Hey guys, 150, 150, $100 half, $100 half. How did we get a 150 all 150, 1 and a quarter, 1 and a quarter, 1 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, so $100. Number 15. Yeah. All right. On this old tractor right there you go. How much on it? You tell me. How many dollars for it? But it gonna get 500. Now 5, but it get $300 too. How did it get two? But it get two. $100 two. Give $100. 2, 3, 2 and a 3. 3. You said 3, 4. How did it get 4? 300. Gotta be 4. 3 and a half. 3 and a half. Half. 350. Did it here now? 4 and a 400. 354. How did it get 375? How did it get 375 down? But it get 375. $400. 375. Gonna be $400. I'm gonna go. Get it in. 3 now. 4 and a quarter. Half. 450.
Come on, kiddo.
Hurry. 450. 150. Hey, look, repairable.
Where's-
Restorable, right there you go. $500. 5, 3. Oh my goodness. 50, now $100, 50 now, 1, but we get $100, let's go. How did we get $50 one? How did we get 75? How did we get 50, 75? Let's go. 50, 75, we get 75. So 50 to 15, what to buy?
Yeah, price again.
50, 15.
That's worth it.
All right, here we go on the tractor right there. Now what are we going to get for? 100 to start it. 100 to start it. Now 2. I got the money. How do you bet? Now 2. $100 2.
Oh.
2 now 3. 3 now 3. 2, 3 and 4. How did we get 4? $100 on the 3 and then a 4, 2 and a half.
How you doing, partner?
350.
Good.
We get 300 money's back here. 350.
pretty good.
350. So 300.
Put new parts in
Number.
That's good. That's
Second. 116.
You okay, bud?
116.
Oh, I'm fine.
Good.
I'm fine.
I've seen your YouTube on old Wilbur's sale. That's where I came.
Oh, wow. Very cool. Yeah.
Good YouTube.
Yeah, thank you. It's a good way to find a post hole, though.
Huh?
It's a good way to find a
That way?
missing post hole.
The hoe?
Yeah, this is,
Hey, did you ever get that motor going?
What's that?
You ever get that motor going?
No, we never did.
there's 34s. Yeah.
Sell them both. One money, what'd he get? $50.
I gave you 50.
50 now, $50 one, 175. How did we get $75? 50, 75. How did we get them on 75? 60. On a $60. On a $60 over here, we're gonna make a 68. So 50 number.
I don't remember. 16.
16. Planner. International planner right there. Money down 300. How did we get 3 and a 3 and a 3, 3 and a 3 and a 50 and a 1. How did we get 100 and a half? Did we get 150? You get 150. I got him here. 100 and a half. Down 2. 2 and a half. 250. Did we get a quarter? Did we get on $200? Give a quarter for it. 2 and a quarter. Sold 200, Jeremy. That'll be number 4545. You bet.
what he's talk about a bale.
Right there, 200. Let's go. 200 on it. 100. Where? 1. 50. What's going on here? $50.
Hey, let's sell choice item.
Okay.
None of them have any hay, Rick.
I guess, yeah, no doubt about that. Any item between me, Joe, Barrett in here, who get 50 to start them? 25. 10, 25, let's get 25, 35, 35, you're
No.
out. 35 for choice, 20, he's in at 25, Joe, now 35. 35.
That
35.
that
So
blade's in
25,
such
how many
bad
you want?
shape
What's your
that-
number? 106. Took one. Same money, 25. How many pieces you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
20.
Times your bid. Who gets 10 apiece? Now 15. 15 a piece. You got to take all 5. 15. Now 20. Except 25. 25. 30. Good. 25. You get 30. You get $30. So 25 number times the count. Jeremy. 57. 57.
It's not a bad looking
All right,
wagon.
Grain wagon here.
For fertilizer. That's what I meant to say.
That's in another sale, I think.
Yeah, eventually.
Fertilizer spreader, right? There you go. How much
Yeah.
do you need? I think a 500. I don't know, maybe when we get that. I do 350. Have one. I do $100. I got money. 15, 100, $100 bill. Ahead of you, Joe. 150. Ahead of you, Joe. 150. 1 quarter, half. 150. That's gonna be fine. We get 2. We get 2, quarter, 2 quarter, half. These all. 2 quarter, half. I got money here. 2 quarter, half. Go 2 quarter, 15, 15. Little auxiliary tank right there is next. $50. 25. Come on. Yeah, 25, 35, now 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, don't see it, Jeremy's in, 50, 16, $50, did you, Honda, 75.
Yeah.
Now 85, $85, bought him here, now 75, let's get 85, let's go, $85, you want it, $85, 100, then we're gonna get them on, one,
Yeah.
110, 10, $100, 10, worth it if you need it, 110, but we're gonna get 110, not what you spend, it's what you save, 110, $100, 10, but we're gonna get sold $100.
16.
16. The late in,
Put that on the
2 in, 5 in, 7 in. Here we go. Full tractor. All right.
Tripping again.
Now, what are we going to get? 500. $500 on the 2, 2. On the 200. What's going on? 100. That's 2. $100 2. $100 quarter half. 150. Your quarters here. Half. 75. 150. 2. 175. We get $200 on the 2. Hurry. I gotta go 2. Sold 175 to 15.
Sell the loader, then you'll sell the
Follow up and sell the trailer after the loader, right?
that one's getting knocked.
Oh, money down. How much on it? 500.
That's chrome and pretty.
Fine. Give me 200 on the loader. Let's go. $200. $100 get 250. Now one. I get money. One. $100 $75.
We probably pull the starter off because we always need starters.
$75 on the loader. 75. Sold 50. 150. Now the trailer. This sell the trailer to you right there. You go and I'll let you start it. How much? 25. Now 50. I won't do that again.
Yeah.
50. That's 75 and 1. 1. 75 here. Gonna be 1 now to buy it. On now, Barrett, I'm with you. Where'd you take it? Okay, we're at 50. Now 75. 75. Now 1. Now half. Now 2.
Nope.
Whoop, but you come on 52. Take 75. 175.
No.
Sold 150, number 114. How about that pipe rack? You want to talk about a rig right there? $1,000, 500, 200, 100, $200, 2, 3, 4 on the 5. You go back in, 4, 5, 4.5.
Everyone needs
4 here.
one of those
Half. 4.5. You say 450. Now half.
5.5.
556. I never get $600. 556. You get 600 off. So 550. Where to go? Number 28.
Loader for a Ford.
Sell the loader right there. How much you want to tell me? What if we get $50 bill? I want to get 20, 30. Get money in the 20, in the 30, in the $30 for we get $30 where?
It's a Davis. It's made in Wichita.
$30 off. So 20 number 150.
Okay.
Tractor and the loader going next right there now. What did we get for it now? You tell me. 200. $200. $100. Everybody in the world's in at 100. Somebody be quarter half. 75. 2. Put 200 quarters. On 2 1/4 and a half. 250. 2 1/4 half.
This one was trying to run.
He's trying to run, he said. 2 1/4, so am I. 2 1/4 half. 250. On 250. Sold 2 1/4, 15. 15.
Farm out 400.
You bet, with the loader.
If it was trying to run, Junior can get it to run.
Right
Yep.
there, money down, you tell me, but I get $500 and a 5, a 5, a 5, 5 here, but you're going to get 2. I had it for everybody, 2, 3. 3, 3. Money's here at 200. 2, 3, 4. Now 5. Whoop, 4, 5. I get a 4, 5, 6. But get 7. 8. But get 9. Big amount, $800. I give 900. I get 8. Big amount, 9 to 9 and 850. Help you. 850. 850. Anybody? Now 9.
It'd help me.
Now 9. You do it for 9. Now half. Now $1,000. $1,000. Well, $1,000, 950 here, but I get $1,000 where? Where? But I get $1,000. Sold 950. Number is 57. 57. This one we did have running. Thinks it might be flooded.
Rick, will you repeat that for me one time?
57 for 1,000. 950.
No, I probably do. I took a little tumble
All
there.
right, we drove this out there. It's either got the points are fouled or a bad gas or something. It just needs a little rinse in there.
I'm gonna go with bad gas.
200 start. I ain't gonna take a dime less. Now 3. 3, 4.
Yeah.
5.
Needs the junior mint touch.
Half, 550. 8. 550. Now 550 quarter, half, 75. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go quarter. I'm gonna be a half, 75. A 675 running all the way. 675. And a 700 quarter. 7 1/4. And a half, 75. A 775. 8. Half. 850. Now 9. Now hand. 950. Take a quarter, Marlon. 9 1/4. Help! 9 1/4. 9 1/4.
Marlon.
9 1/4. Got to buy groceries. Sold 900 to 15.
Thanks, Marlon.
Junior
900
mint.
to 15. Thank you all.
I got a bid on the next one.
Little Ford right there. Here we go. Let them on in.
We want it.
Let's go. I get money. 150. We get 2. We get a half. Quarter half. We get 2 1/2. 75. We get 2. 50. 75. We get 75. Do you want in? 2. 50. 75. We get 75. 2. 75. Now 3. A quarter. We get half. We get 75. 3. 75. 3. 50. 75. We get 75. Did he hear? 375. Sold 350.
16.
16. Oh, second choice here.
Go ahead.
He said this ran.
Is it this one or that other one?
Well,
Clay? I think it's that other one. All right, we'll sell this one right here. Little Alice, Deets Alice, and the money down, $50. Let's go.
That's good for another 150 miles.
That's good for 30, 40. On a $15, you're out. $60 where? 50, 60, 70. $80 where? $80 for. We get 70, 80, we get $80. Sold 70 to 15. Now
That's
the John Deere.
definitely
right
worth
there,
it.
take 100 for it. 50.
Give you 20.
20, 30. $30. What? 20, 30. 20, 30, 40, 50, 45. 45, 45, $45. Sold $40, 16. 16. Oh boy.
I'll have everything bought.
Fired up, Clay. Oh yeah.
Turn the fuel off. Give it about 5 minutes.
Pull that wire off. All right. Sell the farm all to you right there. $1,000. $1,000. How much?
300.
300 to 4. I'm going to get a 4 here now to buy 3, 4. I'm going to get a 4.
Half.
Half now 4. $4 half. 4 1/2.
Oh.
5, 5, 5. I'm going to get 500. 455. You say it now half. 5 1/2. I'm going to get a 550. Where? I'm going to get 550. I got the money. 500. Give a half. Now 6. Now half, Barrett. 6 1/2, 7. I'm going to get $700. I'm going to get half a half.
Probably
750. Did he now? 750 here. 700 half. I'm going to get 750. All. Sold 700, number 15. 15. Now this little tractor does run. Yeah. The Alice. Hurry, hurry.
Zoom, zoom. Hydrostat works.
Yep. I drove this thing
Okay, that's
Sell it to you. Here we go. $200. Come on.
50.
Everybody in the world's in at 50.
100.
100 and a half. 100 and a half. Give me 1 quarter. 1
Oh.
quarter and a half. Give me 150, 75. Give me 175, 2 now to buy. But you get 2 and a quarter. 100 and a half. On 250's all. On 2 and a quarter now. But you get 235. 235, 50. 250, 250. Hang in there. Now 60. 250, 60. Sold 250 number.
I don't know, and I don't want to get in it too deep.
Okay. Back on the
Yeah,
line.
well, that's what yours is much nicer, and it hasn't hauled a bunch of scrap iron around with the wore-out hydrostat.
Well, nobody else knows that shit.
Yeah, I know.